you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be using the tie-dye palette. This is the Hank and Henry collaboration with Bianca. You guys, I've been dying to get my hands on this palette and now I finally have it. So let's jump right into the tutorial. What I'm using first is NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm just taking that on a brush and basically sketching out a flame kind of shape. So first we're going in with the shade Mama B, and this is just a bright true red, and I am just placing that on the end of the flames. So now we're going in with Nip Slip, which is that orange, and we are going to just place that right next to Mama B. Now we're going in with Pineapple, and I'm just placing this right next to Nip Slip and blending it more towards the lid area. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of Lit to yellow it up even more. So now we're going in with Babe, and I'm also taking Evergreen. Evergreen is going to be at the front of the eye, and Babe is more towards the outer portion of the eye, as you can see here. Now we're going in with a little bit of Dead Ass, and that's just going to go right towards the front of the eye and blending that in with Evergreen. I wanted to use smaller brushes for this just because it is a smaller, more detailed area. Now we're taking the shade LA, and I'm just going to place that all around my lid area, blending it with those other blues. Now for the purples in the palette, I'm taking Spooky, Mamas, and Barney, and basically starting from darkest to lightest, lightest being in the very center of the lid. Then we're going to use a little Slick With It eyeliner in the shade Blickety Black, and I'm just going to outline that whole shape just to kind of make it pop. I'm just doing my brows using Hank and Henry's The Night Owl's Liquid Lipstick, and then I'm going to take the shade Cookie, and I'm going to place this on my lower lash line area as well as blend out the front of my brow. We are also going to put the same liquid lipstick on our lips. I'm applying some Beat Gang lashes to my eye. These are the J'adore lashes. Use my code BRIA to save some money. And that is the final look, you guys. Hank and Henry Beauty and Bianca did a great job on this palette. It is a rainbow dream, right up my alley. I love it so much. I knew I wanted to do something colorful and just overall really different, so this is what we did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.